many coins. Okay, I'm getting a bunch of trash.
Bruh.
Oh, I do not have enough money. I want a mythic. I never gotten a mythic. Okay, no, not... Yes, sir. Okay, but... No, I need to do this. I want a mythic. I want a mythic. No, I want a mythic.
Oh my god!
I got a mythic! Yes! I just got it! Yo, let's go! I just got my... Yo! I got my first mythic! Let's go! Alright, I should have... Why did I put auto sell on?
Oh no!
Oh my god, I'm so happy. You know what would have been better if I got the upgraded Titan Cinema Man. But yo, I just got it. Now I have 2 of these. Look at all my mythic. I'm gonna count it godly. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and I have 15 mythics. Oh my god. Well, hope you enjoyed today's video, and bye. Okay, so that was weird. Bye.